it's KevRandolph once again. Look at that. I found a little horseshoe crab. It's like, it's trying to get me, man. It wants to get me with that little pointed thing. Look at that thing. Thing's mad as hell. It's pinching my hand. Oh my Lord. Better let this guy go. He gonna get me with that pointer. Ow, you know, he gets me with that pointer, I'm in trouble. He mad as hell. We'll let him go. Now he's gonna come after my feet. Yeah, it's coming after my feet now. They get mad at me when I do that stuff. There's another one. There's some stingrays out here too. You gotta watch for that stuff. Oh yeah, and I'm looking for a coconut. So I'm gonna do a coconut excursion. To find a coconut, I crack it open, I eat it. Got my coconut kit. So let's go look for that coconut. I'll show you how this stuff works. Unreal, freaking amazing, man. Don't you just hate America? Oh my God. This is awesome, man. Check this out. Oh, there's another one. So let's try to snag this guy too. They hate when I do this. Oh, can't see it now. It's in there somewhere. Where's that? There it is. Barely see that thing. He mad as hell at me. He mad as hell. Oh my God. Come here. Can I talk to you? Don't go, don't bite me and stuff. Man, they're fast. Gotta get ahead of them. Come to Papa. Oh, he's mad as hell. He mad as hell. He gonna get me. One time they hurt too when they get you. He mad. Ready, go. That's funny. That'd be a horseshoe crab. Now if I was hungry, I'd probably try to eat it, but I'm gonna go get a coconut. Eat that thing before my jet ski floats away. Oh, I think I see a coconut. KevRandolph signing out. I'm gonna get my coconut repair kit out. See ya.